इसमें कोई स्पेशल एक सेगमेंट है जिसके लिए ये मूवी बनी है या इट्स
देखिए
मैस
there is a very strong emotional story. Yes, it's a mainstream action film. It is. There is a lot of action in this. But if your action is not supported by or backed by a very strong emotion, action will fall flat. Then it will only be a gimmickry or only be an acrobatic, practice. I always feel that if it is backed by a very strong emotion, then action becomes far bigger and far interesting and far more entertaining and far more believable actually.
और मूवी ओवरऑल मैसेज क्या दे रही है ऑडियंसेस को?
Audience kuch nahi, just be close to your family, protect them, however it is possible.
और फैमिली ऐसी चीज है समटाइम्स जब हम एम्बिशियस होते हैं निकलते हैं घर से कुछ बड़ा करने के लिए हमें ये रियलाइज नहीं होता कि सबसे बड़ी जो हमारे पास नेमत है सबसे बड़ी पावर वो हमारी फैमिली है. So you're bringing back to that message to appreciate what you have.
Appreciate what you have, because if you lose them, then it troubles you too much. So just appreciate them, love them, be around them as much as possible.